If you want text to appear on multiple lines in a cell, you can format the cell so that the text wraps automatically. In a worksheet, select the cells that you want to format. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Wrap Text. Data in the cell wraps to fit the column width. When you change the column width, data wrapping adjusts automatically. To start a new line of text at a specific point in a cell, double-click the cell, click the location where you want to break the line in the cell, and then press Alt plus Enter. Remember that, if you wrap text and all wrapped text is not visible, it may be because the row is set to a specific height. To see the complete text, you will have to change the row height. To unwrap the text, select the cells, the Wrap Text button appears selected, click this button to unwrap the text.